Alrighty guys, so I'm so excited for today's new releases from FantasyWaxMelts. We did just for the past week have our Christmas Advent pre-order open, which I am very excited about. And I didn't want to have you guys wait for the next release, so I was like, let's bring the Halloween box Overstock to shop. There is not a ton of Overstock, but I still think this would be a fun way for you guys to see an unboxing of what the Halloween box entails. And then of course you'll get to see what you could be purchasing as far as the Overstock. So this was the card that was in all of the Halloween boxes. It's just like a basic thank you card. You know, be sure to tag us in all of your posts, our Instagram, our Etsy, and everything. In the back we did have a Scribble Prints Co. quarter size sheet of Halloween stickers exclusive to the Halloween box. You cannot get these anymore, but they're super cool. They're in a bunch of Halloween colors, so like purple, green, yellow, orange, red, and black with various designs. So there's like spiders, a ghost, bats, and a pumpkin. So this came in every single box. So now we're gonna go ahead and get into everything that was in the box. So we did quote 10 shot cups. So if you got the large box size, which is the box size I am going to show you, it is our 1.5 size shot cups, and if you ordered the small size it was the 0.8 ounce. So everything was the same, just the size of the shot cups was different. The Overstock is all going to be the 1.5 ounce shot cups. We do not have any of the small ones left. So you got 10 of those and then 3 other items that I think are really exciting. So let's go through the shot cups first. Our Halloween box was based off of Halloween movies, and I thought that would be kind of a fun theme for the year. So let's get into the 10 different shot cups. Again, these will all be coming to shop in Overstock. We have a little bit of Overstock, so definitely if you enjoyed the scents from your Halloween box, or if you want to try some of these scents, now is the perfect time to pick them up. So funnily enough, we're starting with my personal favorite. Okay, I'm so excited for this one. So this is Haunted Mansion. This is purple with some really pretty green glitter and some fun kind of like Haunted Mansion color sprinkles. This scent, when we first started making this box, this scent, I was like, I like this. I think it would be perfect for the box. And then I melted a sample of it. Oh my, this is one of my favorite scents. Definitely going to be keeping quite a few of these. Might even purchase some of the fragrance oils that we used to make this scent to have Brian make me a loaf because I'm that obsessed with it. It is Blueberry Pumpkin Patch. Bath & Body Works did a blueberry pumpkin scent many years ago. I was living in California, so it had to have been like 2013, fall 2013. I'm gonna give you that. Was when blueberry pumpkin was like the scent was introduced to me. Oh my, this smells almost exactly like it. It smells so good. Blueberry and anything is good, but blueberry pumpkin is just the perfect combination in my eyes. We're starting off strong because Haunted Mansion was amazing. The next one we have here is Addams Family. We did a gray with some purple sprinkles and some fun kind of sprinkles on top that are very reminiscent of Addams Family. This one in particular has a ghost, a bat, an eyeball, a coffin, some stars. Super, super cute. This one's delicious. They're all good. You guys, I'm sorry. I love fall scents. This is in Frosted Pumpkin Cupcake. So this to me smells like a pumpkin cupcake with vanilla buttercream icing. I can literally envision it in my mouth right now. Like, it just smells so good. It smells so good. So this is Addams Family Frosted Pumpkin Cupcake. Delish. Next up, we have Nightmare on Elm Street. This one was like a nice burgundy color with some black sprinkles. Then you have like a little ghost in here, a heart, an RIP, like a little gravestone, a bat, some other gray sprinkles. Super, super cute. This one is in Apple Butterscotch Cake. I just inhaled a sprinkle. Oh, this one smells so good too. I feel like the apple and the butterscotch mix so well together because butterscotch is such a warm kind of creamy yet little bit bakery scent, and then apple's a very starch, apple in your face fall scent, and them together just melt so perfectly. This is so good. This was Nightmare on Elm Street. Okay, next up we have the classic Halloween Michael Myers. We did orange with some really fun gold prism glitters. Again, all the toppings were various, very different, for each one, but relatively the same thing. So this one has some leaves, a pumpkin, some different color orange and brown, and a little pink flower. This is in candy corn. I felt like that was pretty classic Halloween. Love it. Smells really, really good. Very similar if you got the candy corn scent that we did last year. Very similar to that. Just the perfect, like, not super sweet too. Like, not super sweet candy. Just like a classic, calm candy corn scent. Very good. Okay. Next one, I love this one too, it's so pretty. This one is Edward Scissorhands. This one I was so excited because I found the perfect little sprinkle mix. So we did white with blue glitter, and then the sprinkle mix is just like reminds me of Edward's topiaries, just like really pretty, kind of like wintry a little bit. I just thought it was really cute. So you have like a little bit of greenery, some like fun shiny stuff inside, really cute. This one is Fresh Pumpkin with Caramel Swirls. Oh no. It is so good. Again, the same thing as far as like that apple situation. The caramel is a very like creamy, rich bakery scent. The pumpkin is as well, but with the fresh pumpkin, it just like, it makes this like caramel pumpkin-y swirly concoction of deliciousness. It's so good. So this one is Edward Scissorhands. Okay, next up, Rocky Horror Picture Show. I'm a huge fan of Rocky Horror Picture Show. It had to be included in the box. We did red, gold glitter. You have some black bats, some fun shiny stuff. Some of the melts got like red hearts. Super cute. This one is bourbon, sea salt, and caramel. Very, oh my god, that sea salt. That sea salt hits. Like, you don't expect it to. You would expect the bourbon and the caramel to be really prominent, which they are, but I feel like that after note of sea salt is really great. A very nice, rich, warm, bakery fall scent. I really like this one. Again, this one is Rocky Horror Picture Show. All right, the next one we have here is Casper. Oh, this one is so cute. So we did white, purples, like glitters with, again, all various. So this one happens to have some black stars, green and purple little sprinkles, a pumpkin, a little mushroom. I have a little leaf over here in the corner. Really cute. So this is a maple toddy scent. So it's maple toddy, vanilla, and rum. I'm not a huge alcohol scent type of person, but something about the bourbon and the maple toddy and the rum, they all just are so good. I was referring to Rocky Horror Picture Show as far as the bourbon goes, but this is just so warm. This smells like such a warm vanilla scent. This is so good. So this is Casper. Okay, next we have It. I love It. It's one of my favorite movies. This scent, I had to do a scent that we did last year. So this is red, black sprinkles. You have the gravestone, some of these little like skull and crossbones, more bones here, this little like red dot thing. It's cool. We've done this scent a few times. It's one of my personal favorites. I had to bring it back. It is funnel cake. Oh my, it's so cinnamony and delicious. Fried dough, powdered sugar, absolutely amazing. So this is It. I have melted so many funnel cake scents from us, and I just, every single time, it just blows it out of the park. It's so good. Next up, we have Scream. We did like a gray, again, black glitters, some bats, orange and white sprinkles, another leaf, and this one has a ghost. So the scent on this one is rich musk, pear, and a hint of nuts, which probably sounds weird. But this, to me, quintessential fall. Quintessential fall. It smells like the fall is in the air. Like, it smells so good. No words. I love it. This one is Scream. Just get it. I promise you, if you're hesitant, just grab it. You're gonna love it. Okay. Last for the shot cups. Friday the 13th, we did blue glitter. This one is another one that had a lot of different toppings options. So this is like gray, blue, it has a moon, some pumpkins. This one was really cool. This is a flannel type. So this has scent notes of bergamot, orange, raspberry, and mahogany. It smells just like a man. Flannel type. If you've ever smelled flannel from Bath and Body Works, it smells just like a really, really sexy man. It smells so good. So that is Friday the 13th. Those are all of the shot cups. Okay, so those will all be coming to shop in shot cups, 1.5 size ounces. Okay, and then you got 3 fun different size items. My phone just went off, I apologize. First things first, we did do another clamshell. You guys really seem to love the clamshells. I did a white clamshell, and the scent was, or the theme was 13 Ghosts. 13 Ghosts isn't necessarily like, it's not a Halloween movie, but to me, 13 Ghosts is one of my favorite scary movies, so I had to include it. The scent is mulled cider. Here, I'll show you guys really quick before I go into the scent. White, pink sprinkles, black, bats. It's just really cute. I thought this one was more like cutesy than anything. So we did mulled cider, like I said. So if you smelled our mulled cider from last year, this is the exact same thing. It smells so good. It's so good. I never expected to love the way mulled cider smells. It smells so good. That's why I wanted to put it in a clam, because I felt like you needed more of it. You just need all of it. So that is another one that will be coming to shop. This one is quite limited. The larger sizes are super limited. The shot cups are limited, but not as much. Super limited. Smells amazing. Next up, we have a souffle. I think we might only have like 2 of these left. This is so good. This is Nightmare Before Christmas. A really pretty mint. We did some like fun hollow glitters with some pastel colored bats, and then a little jack in the middle. The scent notes on this one are orange peels, juicy apples, nutmeg, and clove. To me, oh boy, this is another one of those quintessential fall scents. It's very different from Scream though. Scream is more like fall is in the air. This is like you're going into like a craft store. So it smells really good to me. I love the way craft stores smell. We only have like maybe even like 2 or 3 of these souffles left. They smell amazing. That is the Nightmare Before Christmas. And then last but not least, I don't want to complicate things, but so I'll just show you the one that came in the box and then explain. So we did Halloween Town as little tarts. You can see the frosting on all of these. That is because we use 100% soy wax, so it does tend to frost. It doesn't change anything. The scent still smells the same. Everything still smells the same. It will all melt the same. It is totally fine. But this is Halloween Town. We have a little skull here, a witch's hat, a bat, and a pumpkin in brown and orange. The scent for this is pumpkin pecan waffles. We had to do it. I know it's like everyone's favorite scent. Oh, it smells so good. It's such a good bakery scent too. So this did come in every single box. However, this particular shape situation will not be coming to shop. We are going to be doing pumpkin pecan waffles. We had more of the fragrance oil, so we are going to be pouring them into shot cups, and I'll just do some sort of like really cute glitter on top, maybe do some sprinkles and stuff. It will still be Halloween Town pumpkin pecan waffles, but it will not be this shape. So it will be coming to shop, just not in this particular shape. So that is everything that came in the Halloween box for this year. I'm super stoked about everything. I hope you guys were too. If you posted videos, I cannot wait to watch them. Like I said, all of this will be in shop. Should be today. I don't know the exact date because I am like super pre-filming this. Let me take a look real quick. This will be in stock today. Today should be September 24th at 3 p.m. Central Time in our shop. It will just be one listing. It'll be Halloween Overstock listing, and it'll have a drop-down menu of all of the names. In the item description, I will have a list of, it'll just be like Haunted Mansion, Blueberry Pumpkin Patch, you know, Addams Family, Frosted Pumpkin Cupcake. It will be that in the description, so when you click on it, it'll be Haunted Mansion, Addams Family, and you guys can know from there. So just like I said, one listing. It'll be live today, as well as everything else in our shop, because everything else will have been taken down for the Christmas pre-order. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I really was so excited to do this Halloween box this year. It was something very special to me, and I really liked everything. I think all the scents were amazing. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.